All right, welcome aboard. We are Skytrax. Headed out to Hana here on August 15th, 11:45. My name is Marco. Anything you need throughout the flight, don't hesitate to ask. I got a question to ask before we go. You can answer it with your thumbs. Thumbs up if you saw a safety video today. All right, any questions at all on the safety video? Sorry, I was just thumbs upping him. You caught that though. He's going to close the doors for us here. The seatbelt should be worn low and snug. Kind of talked a little bit about those. They all look good. Yours could come down just a little bit. Just pull his straight down and then tighten the big straps. And then to undo your seatbelt, you twist that dial. It just comes right undone. We've got 4 doors on this aircraft. 2 in the front like car doors, 2 in the back like a minivan. Just take note of the handle if you're next to the door so you know where it is and how it operates. I'm going to actually operate our doors today, but just so you know. And we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. I'll have our microphones off during our takeoff here. We'll bring them back on once we're out of the airspace. Right, we're cruising here. We're up above Kihei and Wailea, McKenna to the right-hand side. Left-hand side is Kula, and we are southbound towards La Perouse. Out there in front of us, there's a dark black lava flow that will get bigger. Once we get up there right over it, you'll see it's different. You might not know that, but when I tell you, it's different than anywhere else on the island because it's the most recent lava. It's only about 350 years old from the most recent eruption of the volcano underneath us, which is still active. Haleakala is still active. When's the next eruption? Should be this flight. If my calculations are correct, which will be pretty neat. We'll come around the other side, and then it will blow up, and it'll be cool. There are actually active erupting volcanoes. There is one erupting volcano that actually has lava coming out of it over on the Big Island. That's Kilauea. It's the most active volcano in the world. But for this island, two volcanoes have both been pretty quiet for a while. The one out on the west side, the West Maui's, that volcano is extinct. It won't erupt again. Same thing with the ones out here. There's one out there on our right-hand side, which is Kaho'olawe. That one's done. Oh, that was fairly close. Where'd that guy come from? You guys see that bird? Yeah, that's about the closest I've been to a bird in a long time. Anyway, continuing. Off our right-hand side there is Lanai. And then behind it is Molokai, and Oahu's out there somewhere. So those are all dead volcanoes right along with Kauai. But the other direction, so not north but south, is active volcanoes, starting with this one underneath us. Why? Because the fixed hotspot, it doesn't move. It's a place where lava comes out. But what does move in over the top of the hotspot is the ocean floor. And the tectonic plate drift causes this long line of islands, right? Think of a conveyor belt. So the island grows vertically, and then it's carried horizontally to the northwest pretty fast. Pretty fast. How fast? Almost 2 to 3 inches per year. Or that is the average, 2 to 3 inches per year. Pretty wild. So the volcanoes grow up, and they move horizontally. The next one comes up. And as they move away from the hotspot, they shut off. So there it is on the left-hand side, one of the best views in a while, way out there. Two 14,000-foot volcanoes in the background, Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa, and in the foreground, Hualalai and Kohala. The fifth volcano is on the other side. That's the one that's hovering right over the hotspot, the most active one. The next Hawaiian island is actually forming right now, the Loihi Seamount, is about 50,000 years away from being the next Hawaiian island. Where is it? Not that way, right? It's over there. So it's actually south and east of the Big Island, which is right where you'd expect it to be. So the Big Island has already started shifting away from the hotspot. But it's close enough that the arteries of the volcano are still connected, and 4 of those 5 volcanoes are still active. So there's La Perouse on the right-hand side. You can see that type lava. A lot of people say it looks like plowed earth. It does, but that's naturally how it came to rest when it came out of the side of the mountain. And it formed La Perouse Bay, which is right in front of us. We're climbing 3,200, and we'll probably be up around 10,000 feet eventually. So just remember to clear your ears. Feel free to ask any questions, and it is a requirement to have a good time. Anybody have any questions?
Nope.
That's not a question. It's an answer. So, back row, where are y'all from?
Chicago.
Oh, right on. Did you know you're going to be in a superheat belt?
We did not.
That was in the headlines. I just read it right before we got on the flight here. There's this red swath across the Midwest, starting from pretty far south and going all the way up to Canada. And they say that global warming is going to affect that area the most.
It's been pretty hot.
Yeah, pretty interesting. Interesting weather. And how long are you guys out here for?
We were here Thursday, and we're here till Saturday.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's a good stretch of time. And then it's almost time for some kids to go back to school.
Yes, they have 2 days to recoup from the jet lag.
Jeez. That's enough. I mean, you kids pretty much sleep in class anyway, right? Good place to catch up.
Absolutely.
Grace, how old are you?
13.
13, so you're, let's see, what are you, an 8th grader?
Yeah.
About to be? Okay. Tristan, how about you?
10.
10? So you are I'm terrible at this game, but 6th grader?
5th grade.
5th? 5th grader, okay. Got it. Cool. That's exciting. Are you guys into sports?
Yeah.
What do you play?
Baseball and golf.
Oh, right on. Are you golfing here on the Maui Island?
Yeah.
How's it been going?
Good.
You beat your dad?
Yeah.
Beat your mom?
She didn't play.
Oh. You beat your sister?
She didn't play.
Oh, so this is just your thing. Grace, how about you? What's your thing?
I do cheer.
You do what?
Cheer.
Cheer, right on. That's exciting. You want to do a cheer for us?
It's okay.
Okay. Well, Barrett, she's not going to do the cheers, so it's on you, buddy. Yeah, we're all ears. What you got?
Nothing.
Where are you from? Where are you guys from?
We're from Louisiana.
Oh yeah, okay. Maybe just right outside the hot belt. Although it's hot there too right now. Yeah.
So hot. It's so humid.
Anybody celebrating anything? Just vacation? Normal vacation? All right. Got some windmills out here, way out here, Kahiki Nui Wind Farm, making some power for us down there today. We do a lot of wind and solar in the islands, more and more every year. The goal is to be off-grid. And what does that mean when you're already on an island 2,500 miles away? It means no more coal, no more diesel, no more gas turbine. We get away from all that stuff and start using our resources to be completely energy efficient. That's a pretty lofty goal, but that is our goal by 2042. So you'll notice a trend here. We'll steadily, we're still real dry over here because we're in the lee of the mountain from the northeast trade winds. We're kind of facing northeast, so the mountain there in front of us blocks the wind, and we get a rain shadow. The rain shadow is underneath us. It looks like a desert, just like you'd expect from that name. And the dry desert will end abruptly right when we get to the ridgeline there in front, because that's where the clouds get pushed into the mountain and the water comes out. So one side of a Hawaiian island, you probably noticed this, is a dry flat desert with white sand beaches. The other side is a lush valley-filled rainforest with black sand beaches. We'll see that on the flight today.